Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Suraj over here, and today we are going to be learning how to install Anaconda Spyder. Alright, let me just brief you about Anaconda Spyder. It's a really good software, especially because it's an IDE for Python, and I use it pretty much every time I code in Python. Alright, so first things first, you need to go into your browser and type in Anaconda download. So we go to the first link, free download. Alright, and then you wanna go down, scroll down, and make sure you have the Python 3.7 version, because it's the version we are working at, and it's the newest version. So download that, and there should be a pop-up on the bottom left if you're using Chrome, or else there should be a pop-up right over here in the middle bottom if you're using Edge. Alright guys, so once it's downloaded, you click that, and it is basically going to take you to a wizard file. I meant a wizard file. Alright, now if we can see this wizard file, and I hope you guys should know how a wizard file works, you just click next, agree, and I hope you guys are just installing it in your personal devices, so just click just me. Or if you have any other users, such as suppose your brothers or sisters are using your laptop, so you can click all users so it gets installed in other users folders as well, like other drives, you know. So you click next, and then you click where you want to install it. So I already have it installed, but just for the sake of it, I'm showing you guys how to install it, and I prefer to use my D drive rather than C. So yeah, you click next, and again, yeah, because I already have it installed, it's giving me an error. So just click it guys, and it should install Anaconda for you. So once you install Anaconda, you want to hit your Windows button, alright, which brings up the search bar, and just type Spyder, or let me search it over here, Spyder. Alright, and then once you click this link, it's gonna take a while, but be patient. So once you open it, you will get something like this. However, it is going to be white. The background is gonna be white. So for people who like dark background, I'm gonna show you how to do that in just a second. So before even starting off, this is your console, or you can say this is like your testing area, where you can say, I don't know, x equals 1. Alright, so you say what is x? It's 1. So it's like a one-time, like real-time run, I don't know, like real-time IDE sort of thing. So you can say also like print hello world. Alright, and it prints hello world. So, and this area is for permanent coding. So you can create new projects, such as I've created over here, from 1 to 20 or etc. You can hit Control S, and it's gonna save it for you wherever you want it. And then you can, so suppose let's run project 20. We press F5 to make it run, and you can see it's loaded in this console over here. So we press 2, and then it runs it for you. Now, to change the background of Spyder, we go to Tools, and then you can see it says Preferences over here. We click that. Oops. So we go to Tools, Preferences, and then what you want to do is that go to Syntax Coloring over here with a drop. And for you guys, it should be set default as Spyder, which is this, or maybe IDLE, I'm not sure. But what personally I prefer is Monkai. I feel it's the perfect color for me to work in. However, there are many more, so you can choose whatever you want. And then so Monkai, you hit apply, you hit OK, and you should be all ready to go.